the sixth Dalai Lama is being held here in Tawang. So, what would you say about its significance and how it puts Tawang on the global map?
Okay, so like you said, this sort of a conference is happening for the first time, and as the Honorable CM also pointed out in his address, the entire objective of a conference like this was to throw light on the legacy of the sixth Dalai Lama, and not many people know that he was born in Tawang. And mainly to engage the youth along with the scholars by inviting scholars from all over the world. The main purpose was to deliberate on his life, his works. He wrote a lot of poetry, he composed a lot of other works also. So main purpose was to throw light on all of these works, and this is a very commendable initiative by the government and the Department of Karmic and Adhyatmic Affairs to put His Holiness, the linkage between the sixth Dalai Lama and Tawang.
Can you also tell us how this conference puts Tawang's Buddhism heritage on the global map?
Tawang is already on the global Buddhist heritage map. There are so many visitors who visit here and then come for pilgrimage purposes already. Tawang Monastery, as you know, is one of the biggest landmarks, and it's the largest monastery in Asia and the oldest from the 17th century. So it is already on the map. However, this aspect that the sixth Dalai Lama has such a strong connection with this region, that is not as widely known. So that is why this conference is being held. And over the next few days, whatever technical sessions are being held, participants will get to know more about the facets of the life and legacy of